Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Miata window. Before you begin, it's crucial to gather all your necessary tools, including screwdrivers, a socket set, and a trim removal tool. For your safety, always disconnect the car's battery first. You will also need a new window regulator or motor, depending on what part is causing the issue. This preparation ensures a smooth repair process. Now, let's move on to removing the door panel. Start by carefully taking off the interior door handle trim and any screws you see, often one or two. Then, using a trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges to release the clips holding the panel. Remember to disconnect all electrical connectors before completely removing the panel and setting it safely aside. With the door panel off, you'll see a plastic moisture barrier. Carefully peel this back to reveal the window's inner workings. Next, unbolt the window glass from the regulator. There are typically 2 bolts. Secure the glass in the fully up position using tape or a clamp. Finally, unbolt and remove the entire old window regulator and motor assembly from the door cavity. It's time for reassembly. Carefully install your new window regulator and motor, making sure all mounting bolts are securely tightened, often using a 10mm socket. Reconnect the window glass to the new regulator, then temporarily connect the window switch to test its smooth up and down operation. Finally, reattach the door panel, reconnecting all electrical components and trim pieces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.